Welcome, listeners. Today we're diving into a fascinating and absolutely crucial topic for anyone looking to connect with an audience: mastering nonverbal communication in public speaking. It's that hidden layer of communication that can truly make or break your message. Ever noticed how some speakers seem to captivate you without saying much? That's nonverbal communication in action.
Right. So it's super important to consider body language and stuff when we're on stage, huh? I mean, I've seen people totally bomb because they looked nervous or even worse, disinterested.
Exactly. Take Barack Obama as an example. He was a master of nonverbal cues. His gestures and body language complemented his messages perfectly. You'd find him using hand movements to emphasize key points and leaning in to create intimacy, while pausing dramatically to let the words resonate. It was as if his body was echoing his message, giving it that extra punch, you know?
Oh, totally. That's so interesting. So how important would you say facial expressions are in helping to convey a message? I mean, people can totally misinterpret stuff if you're not careful, can't they?
Absolutely. Facial expressions are crucial. Imagine delivering a passionate speech about climate change, but your face is expressionless. What's the audience going to feel? Nothing. Think of it like a movie. If an actor delivers an emotional line but has a poker face, it simply doesn't resonate. For instance, when Leonardo DiCaprio expresses anguish in a film, those furrowed brows and wide eyes draw us in, making us feel his pain.
Oh, wow, yes. That's how people often talk about the power of a smile, right? Smiling can literally change a whole room's vibe. But I guess it has to be genuine, huh?
Exactly. A genuine smile can light up a room, while a forced one is just flat. Imagine trying to sell ice to an Eskimo while shivering yourself. It just won't work. You need to embody the confidence and positivity you wish to convey. When delivering a message, it's all about making your audience feel, as well as understand.
So it's all about alignment, right? Your words need to match your nonverbal cues? I mean, what if someone's saying one thing but their body is, screaming the opposite?
Brilliant point. That disconnection can be really jarring for an audience. If your words say, "I believe in this," but your body language says, "I'm not sure," it breeds distrust. Think of it like a duck gliding gracefully on water above the surface. Everything looks calm, but beneath, its legs are paddling frantically. You want to present calm confidence, not chaotic confusion.
Haha, I love that metaphor. So, how can someone work on their body language? Are there exercises or something?
Great question. One exercise I really like is practicing in front of a mirror. It helps you understand how your gestures and facial expressions come across. Or, you could record yourself and assess what works and what doesn't. Engaging in improvisation classes or joining groups like Toastmasters can really up your game. They provide live feedback and help you become more comfortable in your skin.
Oh wow, that sounds so cool, being in a group and just experimenting with what works. I'm guessing it's a bit like learning to dance. At first you feel all awkward, but eventually you get the rhythm of it, right?
Precisely. Dancing with words and body. Once you find that rhythm, nonverbal communication becomes second nature, allowing you to connect with your audience on a whole new level. Now let's discuss creating a personal, nonverbal communication plan. It's about building a framework of what works for you individually, so you're not just mimicking someone else's style.
Wow, a personal plan. That seems so empowering. How does one go about making that?
Start by identifying your unique strengths. Not everyone is going to wave their arms like a windmill. Some may be more subdued and reserved. You would want to experiment with different gestures and tones to find what feels authentic to you. Then set specific goals, like, "I'll maintain eye contact for 80% of my speech," or "I'll practice 3 key gestures that align with my message."
That's pretty smart. Making a checklist almost. I'm guessing it helps track progress, huh?
Exactly. You'll see growth over time. The aim is to evolve into a speaker who's not just heard but felt. Your audience should leave with a sense of having shared an experience with you, rather than just going through the motions. So once you've drafted that communication plan, don't forget to
keep adapting, right? Because, we all change and grow, and I guess our communication should too.
Spot on. Nonverbal communication is as dynamic as we are. The more you engage in this process, the more you'll find your style and, ultimately, your voice. And that, my friend, is how you truly master nonverbal communication.
Wow, I'm feeling inspired. I really need to work on all of this.